Hello everyone, this is BUBU and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw these three cats. They are very easy, I promise you. Even if you think you cannot draw, I bet you will be able to draw it easily. So please be ready with your pen and also marker, and let's jump into drawing these three cats. Okay, basically what I will do today is to draw something like this. Yeah, this curved line. Then I will draw this three things like this. It's like little thumb, right? Then I will give some front feet. Also like this. Then I will draw a cat here. Okay, so for this I will use my pencil. So I did it in case you cannot see clearly, because I'm drawing. I will start drawing with my pencil first. Okay, so I will draw a curve because I will draw three cats. Then I want to position the first one here in the middle, and the second is here, and the third is here. Maybe you cannot. Oh, I think, yeah, you can vaguely see it. Okay, now I will start using my marker, so this time you will get a better view. There's one, and now the second one. Now I will do the last cat. So we have this three shapes, like they are like, like fingers, right? Okay, now I will draw the feet. For the first, just line down, it's easy. Another line down, this, or even it's a line up. Yeah, it depends on your preference, of course. Then I will draw just something like this. 1, 2, 3. It's easy, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So for the first one, I will draw it 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And of course also for this one and the last. 1, 2, 3. So it seems like their front feet are on a table. They are going to do something. Maybe something naughty. I'm not sure. Okay, so we have these three shapes. Now I will draw two big eyes. 1 and 2. And also 1 and 2, and there's like 1 and 2. Okay, then I will draw a nose. The nose should look like this. Yeah, you want to make a circle like this is okay, or something like this, it's up to you. I will draw the nose to look like a circle or an oval. Okay, now I will draw the mouth. It's just like an A without the stripe in the middle. Okay, now I will draw the ears. 1, two. So 2 ears for each cat. Okay. And they are looking at something on the table. So it should be something like this. Can you guess what they are looking at? Okay, and of course they need stripes, right? So I put stripe here and there and here. Okay. I think they are siblings because they have same stripes, almost same stripes. I will put something in the ears so you can tell that there will be some darker color there. Okay, we finished with the cats. Now I want to put something here on the table because it looks like they are they are going to do something. There must be something on the table they wanna do. Okay, so I've seen so many drawings of cats with a yarn ball. Am I right? So you see, this one is looking at this one, and there's also another one here. So they really want to play with this yarn ball. Okay. Okay. And of course some like this. Okay. And these ones here. Maybe they just can't wait. They just can't wait to play with this yarn ball. Okay. Now this is the time for us to start coloring it. To color it. Okay, because there are 3 cats. I want them with different color. So of course you can use any colors you want, and please use different shades of a color. If you want to color them green, use some greens, some different shades of green. If it is red, use some different shades of red, and etc. Okay, so for the first cat, I want to color it with what is it? I want to color the first cat with green. Okay. So I think the cats, they are a little bit confused because the yarn in front of them is not their yarn. It's different color. So they are supposed to have the same the yarn with the same color as their body. Okay, maybe this is something which makes them a little bit confused. Maybe. Okay, and to blend everything out, I will use cotton bud, of course. Okay, this is finished, and this is very easy, right? So if you have followed, if you follow the step by step, this is very easy, and this is, in my opinion, this is cute. Even though if you think you cannot draw, I bet you will be able to draw this easily. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you would like to give me a like and also subscribe, and also please share these videos. And if you have some suggestion about the next thing I need to draw, please write it in the comment section. I will see you in the next video tutorial, and bye for now. Bye.